Welcome back to the unscheduled programming on this channel. This is back to the old deck work here, and some of you actually had a bunch of comments on Instagram and on YouTube about why did I do a time-lapse video on removing the paint when they want to see how well the product worked and kind of give like a time frame for the Diamabrush paint removing tool for wood surfaces. So I'm going to go over this real quick, and then I'm going to give you a detailed like time video of a panel of me starting from the beginning to the end to show you how long it takes to remove paint. I'll go into like a more of a slow, if you don't want to listen, if you have an attention span of a 5-year-old, don't even bother watching the video. But the guys who really want to see how long it takes to do each board, you'll be surprised at how fast it is. Now, some decks are going to be different depending on what type of paint or items that you have. This particular deck has paint plus the Behr deck over, which is that thick, nasty, gummy stuff that they put on here to fill in all the cracks. Now, again, I'm working with an old deck, and the purpose of me sanding everything down is that, one, I want to get rid of that deck over to stain it. Also, two, is I want to find out how bad the deck is as far as board replacement. And three, I want to show you that Behr deck over is completely garbage as far as or I'm not saying garbage, but I guess it's under the ideal circumstances where you got to use this product because it destroyed some of this deck which could have been saved. I'll give you an example. The deck over goes on, it's supposed to fill in all the cracks, but it doesn't adhere to the deck or the wood if it's not prepared properly. And this is an example of what happens. What happens is that the deck over goes on the wood, does not adhere to the wood, develops cracks, water gets into it, and allows the water to stay in there because it doesn't dry, because it's underneath the actual latex paint or whatever the hell this is. This is why I don't recommend using a deck over type for older decks, because it doesn't adhere and you destroy the, you accelerate the wood rotting out faster. So this is what I'm dealing with. But just want to show you some of the panels that I used for the Diamabrush. Close up. And then I'll snap. All right, I'm going to show how quickly it was to do this section. All right, if you got any comments, let me know. Talk to you later. Bye.